Avoir l'air is an everyday French expression that works like a verb and it is much more used than any of its alternatives. How does it work? What does it mean? How can you use it in French? That's what we're going to see in today's video. Bonjour, I'm Géraldine, your French teacher. Welcome to Comme une Française. Today, like every Tuesday, I'm here to help you get better at speaking and understanding everyday modern French. C'est parti. Avoir l'air is the combination of the irregular verb avoir to have, and l'air, the air. So it literally means to have the air off. But it actually means to seem or to look like in French. If you type "it seems okay" in Google Translate, for example, you might find a translation with sembler or paraître. They're synonymous, but they're way too formal. It is not what we would use in everyday spoken French. Avoir l'air is much more common. Now, you can use avoir l'air in three ways. The first one is with the preposition de and a verb. For example, il a l'air de vouloir sortir. He looks like he wants to go outside. Il a l'air de vouloir sortir. The second one is with de and a noun. For example, elles ont l'air de boulangères douées. They look like competent bakers. Elles ont l'air de boulangères douées. And finally, simply with an adjective. For example, tu as l'air triste. Ça va? You look sad. Are you okay? Tu as l'air triste. Ça va? As you can see, avoir l'air follows the conjugation of avoir, to have, but l'air never changes, and you can adapt the expression to any subject. For example, an affirmative sentence would be something like tu as l'air d'un clown, you look like a clown. Tu as l'air d'un clown, where we have de plus a noun, and the noun is un clown. With an adjective, it could be il a l'air bon ce gâteau. This cake looks good. Il a l'air bon ce gâteau. And at last, with nous, we can try with a verb. For example, nous avons l'air d'avoir besoin de vos conseils. Do we look like we need your advice? Nous avons l'air d'avoir besoin de vos conseils. And here you can notice that avoir l'air agrees with nous, with the verb avoir, but l'air doesn't change. Finally, let's try to put these examples in the negative form. Simply add ne and pas around avoir, so you have n'avoir pas l'air. For example, vous n'avez pas l'air heureux. You don't look happy. Vous n'avez pas l'air heureux. And remember our previous lessons? Yes, in everyday spoken French, we remove the ne in the negation. So we would say, vous avez pas l'air heureux. You don't look happy. Vous avez pas l'air heureux. Now, if there is another verb after avoir l'air, you can add ne pas before this second verb. For example, elles ont l'air de ne pas aimer ton gâteau. They look like they don't like your cake. Elles ont l'air de ne pas aimer ton gâteau. Your turn now. How would you say in French? You don't seem to be hungry with tu and to be hungry, by the way, is avoir faim. Avoir faim. I look dumb on this picture. Dumb on this picture, by the way, is bête sur cette photo. And at last, how would you say Marie looks like a boy in this outfit? A boy in this outfit is un garçon dans cette tenue. What do you think? Can you guess? Yes, it is. Tu n'as pas l'air d'avoir faim. Tu n'as pas l'air d'avoir faim. You don't seem to be hungry. The second one is j'ai l'air bête sur cette photo. I look dumb on this picture. J'ai l'air bête sur cette photo. And the third example is Marie a l'air d'un garçon dans cette tenue. Marie a l'air d'un garçon dans cette tenue. Marie looks like a boy in this outfit. Did you get them? Congratulations! Félicitations! You can dive into more details about avoir l'air in the blog post on my website. Or now that you know about this French expression, you can check out more in the video right after this one. Click on your screen and you will have access to a special playlist right here to also learn about other easy French verbs that you should learn and a complete tense that you can learn with just one conjugation. Just click here on your screen and I will see you in the next video. Allez, à tout de suite!